Hey everyone, welcome back to Byambition. In this video, I'll show you how to clear browsing history in the Brave browser. Clearing your history can help protect your privacy and remove old website records. So let's get started. Step 1. First, open up the Brave browser on your computer, which I already have opened up right here. Step 2. Click 3 lines in the top right corner, then click Delete Browsing Data. Step 3, a pop-up called Delete Browsing Data will show up. We're going to stick with the Basic tab for this video. Step 4, select the time range you want. We have last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, and all time. For the sake of this video, we're going to stick with all time. Step 5, make sure browsing history is checked. It deletes history, including in the search box. Step 6, click Delete Data to remove your browsing history. And that's how you clear browsing history in the Brave browser. If this video helped, like the video, subscribe to Byambition, and I'll see you next one.